Hello guys, so magluluto po tayo ng fried pork with apricot and habanero. So first things, I'm gonna make my breadcrumbs. It's not breadcrumbs actually, I use a chips, barbecue flavor, and I have to grind them first. Put it right there, like a breading. So I marinated the pork with garlic, salt, and ground black pepper, and it's cut into like this, thick. So I have here one big egg that I will pour it right here to marinate a little bit. And then we're gonna braid them and fry them. So now we're gonna start, guys. So our oil is getting hot, so I'm gonna put breading in here. And then
cover it with crusty barbecue.
Yeah, barbecue
Chips.
And we're gonna put right here.
In the pot.
Fry.
Ooh, that looks cool.
This is our fried pork that I'm going to make sweet and sour. Alright, so we're gonna cook our onion. I use red onion, I don't have white onion with me, so I just red it. Now you can smell the fragrance, and then we will put our green and orange bell pepper. We're gonna saute it for a little bit. Then I will add a little bit of garlic sauce. Then instead of using sweet and sour sauce, I'm gonna use my apricot jam and habanero. Apricot and habanero jam. And a little bit of water in there. Now it's like this. I'm gonna pour in our fried pork. Now here is our pork, apricot habanero.